Hey friends, if you wish to kill a process using command line in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now I have a command line here. I will share it in the description section of the video. Okay. So let us say that the process has Notepad. I have Notepad open here. I wish to close it. Simply change the process name to notepad.exe and then copy this command line and open command prompt and then click on run as administrator and then paste this command line and hit enter. Notepad is gone. Now we have Excel open here. We'll close it in a similar manner. Simply change this to excel.exe and then copy it and then paste it here and then hit enter. Excel is gone. If it was Word, MS Word, then you could have wrote winword.exe. If it was PowerPoint, then you could have written powerpnt.exe and so on. So this is the case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.